right, this clap along, read along has every rhythm you know, from 16th notes all the way up through whole notes. Good luck. You can snap, you can clap, you can pat. I'm going to have my cowbell because I love the cowbell. Every song needs more cowbell. Get ready. Feel that beat in your body. Ready, here we go. Whole note, hold it. Half note, half note, half note, half note.